Okay, a lot of these coding questions become quite complex and a lot of different scenarios and what if this and what if that. Here's the clear and clean guidance that you should follow. Always code with the code that most properly identifies the services performed. So if you're planning a group code with more than one patient, but you ended up treating just one patient, then using the group code for that single patient would not be appropriate. You'd need to use the other timed code for that service. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just take each separate incident and always apply that rule. Always code with the code that most properly identifies the services performed, and you'll always be in great shape. Now I get the question oftentimes from people, can you down code? And the answer is yes, you can down code. You should never up code because that looks like you're trying to get paid more. Down code simply means that you're using a code that describes something that you would do less of. So for instance, if you did a level 2 examination but you down coded and only charged a level 1 examination, you're okay. It's always okay to down code even though you're not using the code that most properly identifies the service. Why? Because there's no profit motive. So you don't have any problems using a code that pays you less, but you'll always have a problem with a code that pays you more, which is upcoding, especially if that upcode does not properly identify the services that you performed on that patient.